Hi and welcome to Hollis Ford. Today in our pre-owned lot we're having a look at this 2013 Honda Civic and the beautiful Dino Blue. This Honda Civic under the hood has a 1.8 liter engine, as well, for all you standard lovers, has a 5-speed manual transmission. Besides this vehicle, you'll notice two things. We have the very sporty machined aluminum alloy wheels, and on top there we do have the added vent shades. Very nice feature to have. As we come along to the back of the vehicle here, you will notice the rear view camera. Very safe feature to have, very functional. You're seeing that more and more these days. Come along to the back seats here. We'll open up the door. We have the charcoal black cloth seating. Very sporty, very comfortable. We'll open up the driver door here. You'll see all your power options, power windows, power locks. Just take a quick step in to show you the layout of the dash here. Very functional, very easy to use. You have all your radio controls here, your CD, your AM, your FM, as well as below here you have your climate controls, all your displays on top here. As I mentioned, this is a very beautiful vehicle, just over 80,000 kilometers, really good shape. For any inquiries, any questions, you can reach us here at Hollis Ford, 895-5000. Drop by, talk to one of our sales consultants.